I'm Wicked Wombat, and welcome to my channel. I never knew swans were so territorial. A man makes a fatal mistake of trying to take on a goose.
I think I could take you. So you're hissing at me and you think you're all big and bad? Quit sticking your tongue out at me. I will put you in a deep fryer. They told me you were a killer goose. I want to see what you're made of. Oh, hey. What the? Yo. They not playing with him.
Oh, he's gonna come off. Oh, he's going hard. Oh, shit. Get out of there, son.
A biker has quite the interaction with a turkey at an intersection.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Why I jumped?
Hey! I can't breathe. It hurts.
Oh, yes.
An ostrich is recorded chasing cyclists in South Africa.
Catch Ben! Catch Ben! Oh, fuck. Ben is coming for you! No.
You can get a combination.
It seems magpies really don't like cyclists.
He got me!
This is an intersection where every year around this time, birds hang out by the thousands. It's a mystery as to why.
Wow. What's really going on?
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget